Introducing UNICTHERMO-SONIC 2.0, the intelligent multi-action anti-aging facial brush. Why is it intelligent? Because UNICTHERMO-SONIC 2.0 is a brush that allows you to deeply cleanse your skin thanks to the filaments on one part of the brush, the long filaments, with red heat sonic technology. Additionally, you can perform facial yoga and lymphatic drainage. You can use facial yoga with the flat side of the brush and using the heat technology at 42 degrees after applying your serum with very simple movements from the center outwards on both sides of the face. You apply lymphatic drainage with the blue sonic technology and the flat side, applying your triple action Unicase serum on the upper eyelid area, on the nasolabial fold area, and on the lines of the upper lip, simply making upward smoothing movements, both in the eye contour area and the nasolabial fold, and the upper lip area, making upward movements. UNICTHERMO-SONIC is a portable device, also waterproof, allowing you to use it in the shower without worrying. It contains antibacterial silicone that will keep your skin clean and free of bacteria. UNICTHERMO-SONIC 2.0 charges very easily. On the flat side, there is a small circle where you simply place the charging device. Just plug it into the outlet and wait about 20 minutes for it to charge.